everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long while, but I'm back. Happy New Year, everyone. I hope you had a good Christmas and wishing you all a very prosperous and peaceful and memorable 2025. So with that thought in mind, I have a new journal to share. I'm trying to finish off the giant journal that I have. I have a few more pages left and then I'll do a flip through, I promise. And then I thought I'd use a new journal again. I created this, oh God, a long time ago. I think it was, I'm not sure how this came about, but yeah, I love it. It's colorful, it's filled with like bits and pieces, so I'm gonna use that. I've stuck this one. I received this from a swap. It was a book plate kind of like swap, but I didn't like it to be in the front because it covers the feather or even here, so I thought I'd put it there, and I'll just I still don't know what to put in it. But I'm also here to show you the December Lollipopbox Club kit, which is called Enjoy the Little Things. So I've opened it up because my dress is on show. So another card. I think this is another card from Lisa. It says, "Dear Cheryl, wishing you Merry Christmas. Thank you for everything you do." Ah, that's really nice. That again is going to be saved up and used in a journal, on a journal of some sort. Oh, she remembered, bless her. I told her I lost this stamp. I went to Planner Fest last year and I did a tiny TN table, kind of like creativity table, and it got lost. So she replaced it, and so I was so gutted because I love it. But I'm so happy. Thank you so much, Lisa. I'm so grateful. She replaced it. Bless her cotton socks. And I've got chocolate coin that will be enjoyed. The zine this year. Oh, I love this. Trust the magic of new beginnings. So that is going to go into this journal. And then, oh, we've got caramel cornflake chocolate bar. That looks lovely. That's another lovely journal card. So as you know, last year I started cutting up, I don't know whether I've showed you, but I started cutting up the zines that I received over the years, and I've been collecting all like little journal prompts. So I've been packing them into a cardstock and then putting them in here. So if I feel inspired or just kind of like I just wanted a little bit of a creativity boost, I might just delve into that. So that will, those, I mean, that's the 2024, but I guess that could be used year after year. So I will use that, but this I will use in my December daily. And then word of the year, yeah, that is good. I love this. So that's that. I love the tissue paper. It says pretty things inside. Love it. Right. Oh, I love this postcard. I love it. Enjoy the little things. And then you get a word sticker. That this is, I believe, created by Mrs. Brimbos. That's the main sticker sheet. This is made exclusively for the Lollipopbox Club. Love it. I love the images. You get a blue baker's twine, and then I wanna save this sticker. I don't know why, but it's beautiful, so I'm gonna try and save it. Yeah, here is the treat box, treat bag, not box, bag. So you get a little card with a birdie stamp on it. Oh, what is this? Oh, curious. I wonder what this is. Oh, it's like a vellum, oh God, notepad. Top 10 list. I'm gonna pop that in there. You've got a to-do list, daily schedule, stuff I will forget if I don't write it down. I love it. This is so me. I wonder if there's a main kind of like, if I can buy this somewhere. That is really cute. And your cut apart card. Oh, love it. And then you get a whatchamacallit, stitched envelope or pocket with a little birdie in there. That is so cute. This, I believe, are the die cuts. Oh, I can see beautiful things. Oh, gorgeous. I like that one. I like the color scheme. It's like bluey gray. So cute. Ribbon, got the goals and the to-do list. Oh, I love that. Love it, love it, love it. And then you've got this. Item name, quantity. Oh, this is interesting. It's like a little sticker of reminder when to use it by, and you get a vellum sheet again. Oh, I'm always excited for the paper. This one, oh, I love it. Little birdie told me. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, I love this one too. Oh, and then you get like a little, oh wow, you can cut this apart. Yeah, or you can make it as a background and a little grid paper. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, let's see what we can create in our little journal. If you've noticed, I am filming in a different desk for change. Okay, so we will use this one for our page. So I want it to be like a title page. So I might use this one here. You know, when I said there's no, don't know what to put in there, so I'll put it 2025 in there. Beautiful. Love it. And I'll put this pink butterfly there. Oh, I love it already. Okay, so let's create a page. Okay, so I have finished my very simple page. I've used the 2025 sticker there, and here is my kind of like wish, to-do list, and top 10 like list goals. So let's see whether they're gonna be whatchamacallit achieved. I think that's it. It's just a simple page. It didn't take me long to put together, and my journal is ready for 2025. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope you like the kind of like quick journal with me, or session. It's just a quick one, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much, guys. Have an amazing week. Bye.